In Kenya, fleets of high-tech drones are delivering HIV drugs and testing kits to rural areas. They are dropping supplies at places young people go, such as concerts and football matches. These supplies are then hand-delivered to community clinics. Myra Anubi has the story.
These drones are carrying a cargo of HIV drugs and testing kits. Flying at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, the packages are delivered to people in rural parts of Kenya.
Spinning motors.
But instead of going to formal medical facilities, they're being taken to places where young people go, like this football tournament in Nyakoko. It's part of a scheme funded by the Elton John AIDS Foundation to cut the rate of new infections amongst the youth.
Here you get the young people, they're able to get information, and they're able to make informed decision, and they're able to move to the tent, and within the tent, they're able to get free services.
It's hoped that it can also break down the stigma of going to health centers, a big problem for high-risk groups such as the transgender community.
You want to go and do the HIV testing or really go for uptake of sexual reproductive health in spaces that are friendly, that are also like youth focused. People will come in without even thinking that they are going to go for testing.
I'm ordering for 2 boxes of Trust condoms.
Medics are able to order more supplies like condoms, testing kits, and preventative drugs whenever they're running short.
Yeah, and our dropping point should be in the field.
Unlike trucks, the drones aren't held up by poor roads or flooding, so it can take as little as half an hour for the orders to arrive.
So these are self-testing kits, and they are saying they know how to use them. I'm asking him if he knows why it's important to test yourself.
To
prevent from HIV, to know your status, they say. And if you know your status, why is that a good thing? Exactly, yeah. So they do understand. They say once they know their status, they can plan their lives.
In a year and a half, the project has reached 80,000 young people and seen more than 4,000 go on preventative drugs.